I'm currently on holiday in South Africa and I received some amazing decks from friends as gifts. So I thought let's pull some cards and see what they reveal. So I'm going to be pulling from this one, The Cost of Becoming. Really cool deck. So let's see what message does this have for us for today. So it says anxiety shows up when something honest is shifting. So I think this is really important. I like this deck because it doesn't show just fluffy, nice things. It shows the reality of what happens when you are shifting, when you are becoming more true to yourself. And I feel this is a big one. A lot of times people don't know that anxiety is part of the process and that it will show up when something honest, when something big is shifting. So if you're feeling some anxiety, some discomfort about something shifting in your life, analyze that, know why that is coming through. It might be that you are busy with a big shift.